JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
What's up, team? Y'all already know we back with another
banger.
And today is like some kind of type of video what we doing.
Yes, sir.
So today y'all we doing the bottle challenge or whatever. Basically, like whenever we gonna drink the soda and we cannot burp the whole time. The last person who burp get a punishment or either win money. So yeah,
and we also have a guest.
Yeah.
Today we was sister.
What's your social?
Ray3, RA3, THE, showdown, DOM.
Yeah, go at her, y'all.
Yeah. Okay, so we just gonna get into it. So basically, we gonna pour one soda each. Then we get 3 minutes to complete each soda without burping.
And if you do, you gonna get cash like a reward at the end.
Yeah.
So who going first? Y'all wanna do rock paper scissors? Or you wanna just pick?
Or I
we can do rock paper scissors.
Okay. I thought it was all doing it at the same time. Or no? We taking turns?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I asked you in the beginning.
All right. So this is the Coke. We gonna do like half a cup.
That's a lie. She trying to kill us, y'all.
We doing half a cup, y'all. Period.
I'll go first to get it out the way.
This is Sprite.
I'm scared. I might die.
Okay. There we go. And then Pepsi.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be that one. Alright.
I'm scared. I'm going first.
Alright.
I'm going this way or whichever way I want.
Whatever way you want. Hold on, let me get so I can start the timer.
Ooh, I'm scared. This is a lot, y'all. I ain't gonna be able to finish all this.
It's okay if you don't, as long as you don't burp.
Alright.
Okay, 1, 2. Hold on, it got some 30 minutes.
So I'm gonna do like a minute on each cup.
Whatever you want to do, you
Alright,
got 3 minutes to complete it.
Alright.
Okay, y'all ready? 3-minute timer on. Okay, 1, 2,
Wayne, what you over there
3,
doing?
go.
Alright.
Y'all, the timer has been started.
She ain't gonna burn.
You doing okay?
I'm finna.
Down.
I'm finna die. The time is.
You lost.
I'm scared.
My turn. Okay, so y'all, we gotta check something on.
Yeah, I'm going again. I don't care.
Yeah, we go. So we right now we doing it all each, and then we gonna have a contest of who can drink the soda all the way to the end.
Bruh, I'm telling you, I was not just faking. That soda took everything in the whole
Guys,
Let's go. What was my time? Let's see who beat the best.
It was
time.
like 220. You stopped at 220 and
All right, I'm gonna put that in my notes. 220.
Okay.
You ready, Rain? Is you ready?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1. That's the dang, I got it in my hair, y'all. Yeah. That's what you did to me. Yeah. Like I.
You almost there. Keep going.
Let's go!
Stop.
I'm loud, y'all. I forgot. Man, let's go. You see how I feel? Matter of fact, let me put the timer back down. I was at 120. You mean? You said
220.
what you mean?
You
Because they
burped at
count
220.
down.
Yeah, when it was at 220, you burped.
I'm up at 3 minutes. I don't think you do. Something ain't right. She gotta be cheating or something, y'all.
How am I
I'm
cheating?
just playing.
Put water in my cup.
Let's go.
The key is whenever
No
you feel
talking. Come on, keep going. You still got time. Let go. Y'all, this time kind of going slow though. I ain't gonna lie.
What's the key?
No, don't tell Rain.
Whenever you feel a burp coming, you drink again.
She probably burping and we don't know. I gotta watch you closely now. Just let it out. Excuse me.
I thought that was her.
Let's go. You almost done. You might as well finish. 33 seconds.
Y'all got burp so fucking bad.
I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Y'all think she cheated? Cause ain't no way she eating it like that and I just burp like that.
I'm trying so hard, y'all. My eyes watering up.
15 seconds, y'all. 13, 10,
Oh no.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get somebody else to do it.
She won that round.
I gotta throw up so fucking bad right
You
now.
can let out your burp now.
I can. Am I gonna
The
lose?
timer
I'm
over.
not
You
playing this
won.
game.
That little weak burp.
That motherfucker was so bad.
It's Rain turn now, y'all. My time was 2:20. She won and Rain. So now we finna see what's up.
I don't want to play.
Y'all feel so fucking sick right now.
Yeah, that dude got my stomach tweaking.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Wayne, it's time. Wayne gonna die.
My hair still wet, y'all. I don't know how it hit me like that. Probably because I ain't a soda drinker for real.
I'm not either. I just whenever I'm trying to win, I control myself.
And you like dark sodas. I mean, like,
But like I said, the key to not burping is
my hair smell like cold. Look at my stuff. What is it doing to it?
that burp like stuff. The key to finishing is whenever you feel a burp, you drink again.
Start my time.
Oh, my bad, gangster. You ready, ain't you? Y'all heard her. She said, start my timer. Go. Let go.
Ryan, you drink blueberries for a living.
Let's go, Wayne. Come on. Yeah.
Go, Wayne.
Resist.
Go, Wayne. Go, Wayne. Go, Wayne. Go, Wayne. Go, 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 Wayne. Go, 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 Wayne. How you feeling, Wayne?
It ain't that bad. It do hurt a little bit, but it ain't that bad, y'all.
Yeah, it definitely hurts. Go. You got a burp yet?
Hell yeah.
Oh, wait.
Alright, hers is
At
212.
yeah.
Okay, so now for the last contest, we gotta see who can just chug it all together, and then that's just the final round. Then we only got 2 cups left.
I'm drinking a Sprite.
Alright, I'm drinking a Pepsi. Her way. Alright,
Alright, do we still do the 3-minute timer?
then we chugging all of this cup.
You got the biggest one. You ain't gotta drink it all, but
Okay, we
got about the same. You could drink like, if you drink it like past the P, the E and the P.
Okay.
That's about reasonable. Nah, we'll see. Alright, y'all, we finna, come on, right? You gotta get in it too.
Okay, cheers.
We gotta see her reaction. Y'all ready? Cheers.
Let's make it interesting, guys.
Y'all drink beer for the reason.
My lips burning. Bae. Bae over here drowning herself.
Bruh.
Don't burp. Don't burp.
I'm over here finna die.
Hey!
Bruh. Stop. Bruh. Nah.
Keep drinking.
Nah. I do not recommend this, y'all, because that just hurt me. You quit, Rain?
Yeah.
I won. Woo!
Yeah, y'all. As y'all can see, y'all done won both rounds. Dang, she a bag. I can't
Y'all
believe
almost
I
died.
just threw up, y'all.
But anyways, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Hit the post notification bell and follow us. And if you guys have any ideas, any comments, make sure you guys let us know.
Yeah.
Just remember, one team, one dream. We out.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understand.